Well, yes, let's put the spotlight on some of the biggest reforms Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced and implemented over the last 11 years. First up is the GST, which was implemented in the year 2017, and GST 2.0, which is likely to come into effect on the 22nd of September. Second is IBC, or the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. That was also a big reform. Atmanirbhar Bharat Drive. So these were the key major reforms that were announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. PLI scheme across several sectors, from manufacturing to textile to defense, and PSB amalgamation that resulted in merger of several banking companies within the financial services sector as well. Let's also put the spotlight on a whole host of other schemes that were announced, and that include something like PM Jan Dhan Yojana, which resulted in financial inclusion, and several bank accounts were opened, especially after the demonetization that was announced in 2016. We have PM Swanidhi Yojana, Mudra Yojana, that also resulted in several other reforms, Digital India and Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. So these were also some of the other reforms that were announced. Meanwhile, apart from that, let's also put the spotlight on some other reforms then, and in particular it's the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the semiconductor mission, especially in the light of global shortage of semiconductor that the world is facing, and several other plants are also being set up in India to promote semiconductor manufacturing. Green hydrogen mission, renewable energy push, and power sector reforms. So these are largely the reforms that have been announced and have also been successful across sectors, especially with respect to boosting manufacturing and consumption within the domestic economy.